Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. The Custom Trail Boss is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Custom Trail Boss: power windows, locks, and mirrors. Drivability dial with your trailer mode, push button 4x4 automatic headlights. Truck has a cruise control on the steering wheel, forward collision warning as well. Easy to read gauge cluster, 12 kilometers, brand new, push button ignition, a nice large 6-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, single zone climate control. You have lane keep assist, auto stop start, multiple USB ports and outlets up front. We do have the dual zone glove box or cloth seating up front. Now our center console here does double as well as our 6th seat, making this the 6-passenger Silverado Custom Trail Boss. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful blacked out alloy wheels with the brand new Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT all-terrain tires. We do have black plastic door handles and mirror caps, Z71 badging on the front fender, as well as Duramax on the hood. The Custom Trail Boss comes with the factory 2-inch lift, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. Z71 custom front grille with the red tow hooks, halogen light bulbs as well in the headlights. Making our way back down the side, crew cab with rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped for the Duramax turbo diesel engine. At the back, we have dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, and the Silverado custom badging on the tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, second row cloth 60/40 split, both end seats are car seat ready. Over top we have a heated rear windshield, solid shield. We have our extra headroom over top as well, LED lighting throughout, solid roof, and your heat and AC vents in the back of the center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video on the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.